These 4 bottles are full of used oil, and today I'm going to show you what to do with them before they start piling up. Everyone has their own way of doing it. Some people go ahead and burn it, or even worse, pour it down the drain. However, the best way to dispose of it is to take it to a designated dumping site like the one inside this AutoZone. I'm not sure if other parts stores share the same requirements, but after talking to the manager, AutoZone allows you to bring in 5 gallons of used motor oil per day without it being contaminated. That just means it can't be mixed in with diesel fuel, antifreeze, vegetable oil, water, or anything other than oil. And the reason for that is because if it is contaminated, they then have to call some guy to schedule a pickup, because at that point it's considered abandoned waste oil, so it just becomes an inconvenience. But even though they're open to the public, dump sites like this one are meant for the average DIY type of person who does anywhere from 3 to 5 oil changes a year. They're not meant for the large commercial shops or the at-home mechanics who do oil changes for a living. Because technically speaking, places like that are supposed to have a recycle center on site. So if you try bringing in 20 gallons in a day, they're most likely going to deny you. All they ask for, he said, is for you to be courteous and wait in line to drop it off at the counter, you know? Don't leave it on the sidewalk, don't leave it at the door, and don't just drop it off at the counter and walk away, because at the end of the day, they're offering a recycling center free of charge for the public.